Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking the objective, one primary outcome and a clear agenda. Once that's set, open Teams and go straight to Calendar. Click New Meeting or Meet Now to create the session. Make sure you select the right mic and camera. This avoids the common delay 5 minutes in. If participants join remotely, enable captions and share the agenda file. These first actions save time and keep everyone oriented. Do them before inviting or sharing content to avoid interruptions. Once attendees are in, assign presenter or attendee roles so permissions match responsibilities. This prevents accidental control loss. You should share either your screen or a single window. PowerPoint Live is ideal because it keeps your slide notes private and lets participants navigate independently. Manage audio by muting all on entry and unmuting during Q&A. Create breakout rooms for small group work and pin a speaker for focus. These steps keep content flowing smoothly and reduce technical friction during the core meeting. To finish, clearly summarize decisions and assign action items with owners and deadlines. Post that summary in the meeting chat so everyone has a record. Stop recording, download the attendance report if needed, and upload final notes or files to the channel or chat. If something goes wrong, try simple troubleshooting. Ask affected participants to rejoin, toggle camera/mic permissions, or use the phone dial-in option. Make sure to follow up by email or task tracker so outcomes turn into progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.